Downgrade Windows 11 to Windows 10. If your system does not work properly after upgrading to Windows 11 or some critical features that you need do not work as expected, you may need to go back to Windows 10. This video will help you to downgrade from Windows 11 to Windows 10. Welcome to another video from softechonline. If you liked this video, give a like, comment, and consider subscribing to our channel to watch more such tricks and tips related to computers and mobiles. You can only downgrade to Windows 10 within 10 days of your upgrade. After 10 days, you cannot downgrade. And do not have deleted the previous version of the Windows folder and any other system files from the system. Before starting the downgrade process, it is recommended to take your user data backups. All the apps you installed on Windows 11 need to be reinstalled again, once you downgrade. Open Settings on Windows 11, go to System, then select Recovery. Under Recovery, click on the Go Back option. Then the Go Back to Windows 10 screen should appear. On Why Are You Going Back question, select your reason and click on Next. On the next screen, there will be an option to check for updates. If you don't want to try that, click No Thanks. Under What You Need to Know, you may go through the details and click on Next. Make sure you remember the old Windows 10 password, which is required to log into Windows 10 once downgraded. Click on Next to proceed. Then click on Go Back to Windows 10 to start the downgrade process. Your system will restart. Once restarted, you'll see Attempting to Recover installation. Now you will see Restoring your previous version of Windows message. This will take some time depending upon your system and size of data being restored. Once completed, the system will get restarted and you will see the Windows 10 booting. Now you should be able to log into your Windows 10 with the password. Once login, you may check your Windows 10 version by running winver command. We have successfully completed the downgrade process from Windows 11 to Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos.